Believe it or not, people lie. People cheat and people steal. Okay? I met, it was a police officer who told me one time, who was renting one of my units, and he said to me that he does investigations. And he said that when he investigates people, he starts with the concept of people are liars, they're cheat, they're thieves. You understand? That is a horrible way to start with people, because then you're constantly suspicious. Why is he looking at me? Why did he say that? Why did he ask me the question I asked him? I'm just like, my gosh, you become psychotic. But that's the world he lives in. In the world of commercial real estate, there is less disclosures from the sellers. You understand the term disclosure? Disclosure is to open up and disclose and tell you the truth. So, take an apartment building, for instance. You ask them for what are the expenses to buy the apartment building, they're gonna lie. It's like they can't, they twitch, they are gotta lie. You know what I mean? So you're gonna have to verify. And here, when they tell you, oh, I wanna sell it because I'm retiring, but the guy has more energy than you, you're like, how come this guy wanna retire? It looks like a horse, you know? So you gotta go and do the due diligence, and especially about utilities for these. It's a very good point. Number one. Number two, that you would say things like, oh, you know, they will not approve any other mobile home parks in this area. Well, go and check with the city, because the city may tell you, oh, we would love to approve another development of mobile home parks. We already got all the approvals. Well, is that going to compete with you, yes or no? Yes. So we're going to get to that into the due diligence. Great question.